Hi, all. Welcome to Murari's Financial. Currently we are discussing about mutual funds in the previous videos. So, continuation to previous videos, discuss third category, balanced and hybrid mutual funds. Especially these mutual funds works and take your money to invest in equity as well as debt categories, so that you will get the growth as well as stable returns while investing into these funds. Let's say example ICICI Prudential Balanced Hybrid Fund. So this fund currently is giving good and stable growth and good returns. You can analyze regarding this fund, and accordingly, if you are comfortable with this, then you can choose this fund. So this fund will give growth and stable returns. Less risk as well. So always remember that before invest in any mutual fund, take financial advisor sessions. I hope you all understood regarding third category of mutual fund, that is balanced and hybrid mutual fund. If you have any questions, please comment below. If not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Click on notification bell so that you will get updates immediately. And like, share, comment so that your encouragement will give us a lot to upload many more videos on finance education. I see you soon. Thank you so much once again. Jai Hind.